Jack his ass up again. Jack his motherfucker. We don't play that shit over here, nigga. We don't play that bullshit over here, nigga. Jack that nigga ass up in this house. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, you got your camera for real, dude.
Nah, I won't put it on none if you don't want me to. But I put it, you know.
I might be in trouble.
You know, I like to.
Bro, you know, videos.
You be seeing that shit?
I said, whoa. Watch out, bro.
I'm looking for my nigga Duke Ivory, man. Hold on, where you going, Weedy Straw? Just tell him your name, my nigga. That's all.
My name is Emma Jacobs.
You what?
Today, huh?
Joda Salanta. This nigga just said he wanted my number and he forgot.
Quarter the $3 quarter, we bring me one.
Say, man, can we see what's in this grill? Yeah, we just want to show the people how we do it. You know what I'm talking about.
In the projects.
In the projects, we drink cold 45.
Yeah.
In this, you know what I'm talking about? Hold on, excuse me. Let me see what we got in this grill, man. What we got? Ah, damn, look at this fat ass of this motherfucker. Yeah. God damn, boy, Jerome in the house. This how you rock?
That's it.
How long you been out here cooking?
About 3 hours.
About 3 hours?
Yeah.
Who you laughing at? I get you on camera too. Who is this over here? We ain't gonna get their license plate, cause they like to sue a nigga and shit. Hold on. They finna come around the corner. Who is this right here? What's up, who?
Hey, come here.
Hold on, man. The smoke gotta clear. Anyway, this is why the smoke is here. You know what I'm talking about? God damn. Look at that, y'all. What y'all know about that? Y'all shit probably be burnt and shit. My nigga shit on point. You understand me? Tell me what your name is, man. Tell me how you do this shit. You what?
OG.
OG? Tell me OG in the game, baby. You know what I'm talking about? We got this motherfucking... See, that's how we cool this shit. We ain't gonna give too many secrets though, right? God damn, poke that motherfucker, dog. That's what I'm talking about, poke him. Shit. But yeah, that's why we kick it. I'll let you.